Okay, so we're going to look at the second problem. I have my combined gas law formula and I have my list of variables. I'm going to start reading through the problem and putting variables where they belong. So 11.2 liters, that's volume 1. 744 torr, that is a pressure. And if it occupies 13.3 liters, volume at 55 degrees Celsius, but remember I need to add 273, so I'm making myself a note there at 744 torr. That's a pressure. And what is the temperature? Okay, so you see how here I kind of reverse it and put my the one that has the unknown in the first one. It doesn't really matter as long as you group them correctly. So these two go together and these three go together. So it's okay if these are at 1 and these are at 2. Totally fine, okay? So let's just do this math. 273 plus 55, okay, 328 Kelvin. So when I plug it in, I know. Now here's what I want you to see. See how this pressure is 744 and this pressure is 744 torr? So the pressure didn't change, so I can cross it out. The pressure was kept constant. So I can just make my calculations a little bit easier and just plug in the other numbers. So I need the volume 1, 11.2 liters. This is what I'm trying to find. Volume 2, 13.3 liters, and temperature 2 is 328 Kelvin. Okay, so remember cross multiplying. That is an effective way to do this problem correctly. So I would end up with 11.2 liters times 328 Kelvin equals T1 times 13.3 liters. So that means I need to divide both sides by 13.3 liters. This will leave me with T1 over here because those will cancel out. Liters will cancel out, leave me with Kelvin, which is a unit for temperature. So beautiful. So now in the calculator, let's do that. 11.2 times 328 equals divided by 13.3 equals 276.21052. Okay, I'll stop there. I know I don't need more units than that. So T1. So let's go back to my numbers I was given. Three significant figures, 3, 3, 3. This one only has 2. So my answer can only have 2 significant figures. 1, 2. Well, this tells me I need to round up. So 2/8. But here's where the decimal point is. So I have to fill this in with a 0. So 280 Kelvin is T1. All right, so there we have the next problem.